Now we will fold our legs and do the leg and toes movement. So rotate your toes slowly up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. While doing this toes exercise, you might feel pressure on your inner thighs and on your knees, but make sure you do not put a pressure over there. So slowly up and down, up and down. This exercise can be done by arthritis people, joint pains people who have, but senior citizen can avoid doing it or sitting on the floor while doing. They can do by doing sitting on a bed or on a sofa. Relax it. Now slowly cross your legs and give your hug to your knees and relax. Again, open your legs, again cross your legs and give a hug to your knees. Relax and again come back. Give a cross, hug and tightly hug so that you can feel the pressure in your lower and back spine. And relax and back to Padmahasana asana or the cross leg asana and breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Close your eyes, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly put your hands and bring towards your neck and put a pressure over here. Again, go down. Bring your hands towards your neck and put a pressure over here. Keep doing this at least 5 to 6 times. Repeating, breathe in, pressure and breathe out. You can do it again. Press, breathe in and relax. Press, breathe in and relax. Now this can be done 5 to 6 times and will be helpful for your shoulder muscles, shoulder caps and your neck muscles, which will give you instant glow towards your upper level of the body. Next we will full stretch from your back side. Put your hands back and put a pressure and relax. Again hands back and put a pressure and relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now close your eyes. Be in Dhyan Mudra. Now inhale with nose, exhale with mouth. Breathe in with your nose, breathe out with your mouth. When you are breathing in, you are inhaling all the good things and positivity. When you are exhaling, removing all toxins, bad things from your body and relaxing your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Put a pressure on your chest, on your abdomen. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe in, breathe out. Now inhaling and exhaling only from your nose. Put pressure on chest. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So while doing this exercise of warm-up for your facial yoga exercise will help you to give you a youthful skin. You have to avoid all types of food which is not good for your health. While doing this thing, you have to take care of all the joint parts, all the muscles. When you're feeling a stretch, you should not do it. This exercises can be done from 18 years to 80 years of the people.